Hello, friends that love nail art. It is summer in New England, and I am so happy about that. Today we are working with some translucent foils and some glazed donut nails. I want to keep calling them glazed jelly nails, and they're not jelly nails. They're glazed donut nails, but the reason I think of them as jelly nails is because they use jelly polish, is essentially what they are. I have coated these with some nail glue. This is not a gel set, so it is done with not nail glue. I'm sorry, I can't get my words out today. Nail foil glue. And the nail foil glue I used because I'm not doing a gel polish set. If I were doing gel polish, I would use a gel foil glue. I am using silicone tools to do this. It helps a lot when you're pressing foil down. Pressing the foil down clean makes a huge difference in the transfer. I'm just checking to see if they're dry, and they're not dry yet, so I'm putting them back under the light. And here we go. So I am using different parts and pieces of these foils, so I have cut them into the pieces that I want. I'm using two different foils, actually. One has dots on it, one does not. This look is super easy. You don't have to have a lot of patience, time, or talent to make this look amazing. It's great for weddings. It's great for bridesmaids. It's good for quinceañeras and all of the other fun, formal events that are going on in your world. I am checking my foils as I go. You can see I just pulled that up and then put it back down. The reason why is because it didn't transfer all the way. It is important to check as you go and, just make sure that your foil has transferred completely before you pull them off. That will keep you from having to try to painfully align them back up so that you can make them, come out correctly. I love the translucent foils in the sense that you can pick and choose the different pieces that you want to use, and you don't have to use the whole foil all at once, or you can choose to use the whole foil all at once. And you can put it on top of any color that you want. So it can really go on a lot of different things. The one thing I have found with these foils is that they don't go over dark colors really well. So it does need to be on a lighter or a medium shade in order for you to get the most color out of them. On the darker shades, they do tend to just kind of dissipate. But on glazed donut nails, they're amazing. This look in total took me about 10 to 15 minutes to put the foils on. I do put two coats. I can't get my words out today. 2 coats of top coat on. The reason that I do that is because the foils that you put on nails, if you're using polish, not so much with gel polish, but with regular polish, what happens often is that the foils will wear at the tip of the nail, and I did not want the set to end up wearing over time. It is a display set, and that's fine. But even if I were working on a real client, I would do 2 to 3 coats of top coat just to make sure that's really sealed in. Also, using a heavier top coat is super helpful when you're doing foils. I'm really having trouble today. I love this look. I think this is a great way to play with the jelly nail look. This last nail here, you can see there's a little bit of a rose on the side of it. That is because it did not transfer well the first time, and I went back and re-dried that area a little bit more. So I'm just relining up that foil. It's the same foil that I had started with, but I lined it back up to see if I could get the design to transfer more evenly and better. 2 tricks when you're using foil. First, make sure that you press that foil down completely and that your glue is evenly spread across the nail before you dry it. That helps to keep the nail foil from doing what's called buckling or wrinkling. The other thing you want to be careful to do is make sure that you don't drag your top coat or oversaturate the foil with top coat, because that can also cause wrinkling. So you'll notice that I'm going to do 2 thin coats of top coat, where oftentimes I do more of a thicker top coat. In this case, I'm going to use thin coats of top coat, but I'm going to do multiple coatings of the nails. Again, this look is super easy, super simple. I think anybody, quite literally anybody, could do it. And it's perfect for those summer garden weddings or any other special event that you have this summer. You can back them with just about any color you like. This is a glazed coral I think it was a C&D color, but it's really old, so I don't think that they still currently sell this. And that is our video for today, my friends. Don't forget to check out the sneak peek. We have another glazed donut look coming up for wedding season. Bye-bye.